BYD Atto 2. Price Australia from 31,990 Australian dollars. Dynamic plus on-road costs. Premium variant, 35,990 Australian dollars plus on-road. Battery powertrain, 51.3 kWh lithium iron phosphate LFP battery. Motor, single front-mounted electric motor. Power, 130 kilowatts, torque, 290 Newton meters. Range performance, claimed WLTP range, approximately 345 kilometers. 0 to 100 km per hour, approximately 7.9 seconds claimed. Charging, max AC charging, approximately 7 kilowatts. Max DC charging, approximately 82 kilowatts. 10 to 80% DC time, approximately 38.6 minutes claimed. Dimensions, length, 4,310 millimeters. Width, 1,830 millimeters. Height, 1,675 millimeters. Wheelbase, 2,620 millimeters. Weight cargo, curb weight, approximately 1,555 kilograms dynamic to approximately 1,590 kilograms premium. Boot space, 380L seats up 1320L seats down. Safety and features, 6 airbags, autonomous emergency braking AEB lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert. Infotainment, 10.1-inch touchscreen, over-the-air updates. Vehicle to load V2L capability battery power out. Warranty, 6 years 150,000 kilometers for vehicle. Battery warranty, 8 years 160,000 kilometers. Suspension chassis, front, McPherson strut, rear, torsion beam.